everybody, welcome to this edition of Ring Roundtable. I just got back from speaking at a convention, and it's pretty interesting talking to quite a bit of those small business owners that they are still confused the difference between search and social media. There's a lot of agencies out there, they're getting bombarded with different messaging. Hey, you always got to be doing this, that, and they're getting confused. Oh, social media is holy grail. They got to be doing social media. So let me kind of go over the major difference between search and social media, search engines and social media. And I do believe, again, both are very important. It's just the intention are different. So search engines are going after those who have intent already, and social media is more for awareness. Right? So let's give you an example here. So let's say we're in Miami, or let's say we're in Clearwater, Florida, and we're looking for windows and doors in Clearwater. So first thing we will do is not to go on social media, right? We'll go on the search engines. Most likely could be from desktop or from our mobile devices, and we'll type in, for example, windows and doors near me, Windows Clearwater with a city name in front of it. And there are three totally distinct ways of marketing yourself on first page of Google. You can place an ad, you can try to be ranked in local search, and you can try to be ranked organically. So again, if somebody is looking directly going into to do a Google search, most likely they have intention already. And this is very similar to offline wise will be the yellow pages. Right? If you're flipping through the yellow pages looking for a plumber, most likely you have intention already. Okay. Then social media, it's important too. However, it's more awareness type branding, getting your name out there. And I will say equivalent to this, since this is more display, it's more interaction based marketing, interaction based advertising. It will be more similar to billboards, newspaper advertisements, because at that time when they saw your ad, they're not in a state of mind of looking for windows and doors, for example. So at that time there's no intention. Okay, so very different here. But whether you're very focused on search engine or social media or doing both, the road all eventually leads to your website, right? So whether they saw you online via your social media presence or search, what they're going to do is they're going to go on your website. They're going to look around your website, and then most likely, so again, higher, the more content on your website, the better the engagement. So you got to make sure that your website is very highly engaged. But most likely at the end, what they're going to do is they're going to go back to search engines and they're going to check you out, right? Whether you have good positive reviews, do you have subpar reviews? So again, the more reviews you have, the better the closing ratio, of course, right? So those are the big difference. But if you are, I will say a good weapon to deploy is something called retargeting. Because very often, even if they have intention of looking for your services, but many of you, the service you offer, it's not something they need right away. It's not something urgent. So most likely they could be just doing initial research in the beginning. So what you want to do is to nurture them, right? So retargeting are those ads that gently follow you around the internet to try to entice you to come back to the site. So I will say a good way to keep the leads warm is to do retargeting. Okay. So again, I just kind of want to go over the big difference between search and social media. Search is to go after those with intent, and social is more for awareness. Those are the big differences here. And you got to be doing both, right? But again, it's social media is not, even though there's a lot of hype these days, that is not the holy grail here. As I will still say, if you only choose one, I would choose to go after search engine marketing first. because you're going after people with intent. And definitely is later on, then you can do a little more on the awareness type marketing, which is social media. Okay, you have any questions? Feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.